Hello friends, Namaskar. Human life is like a river. In the absence of newly added water, the river cannot flow properly. Similarly, without new inputs and new skills, human life cannot grow properly. Interestingly, we all born with huge potential, but due to various reasons, the potential cannot get materialized. Such reasons may be our mindset, social and cultural obstacles, and so on. Psychologists say that such reasons are 90% psychological and 10% only real. However, several studies and research suggest to adopt 4-point strategy to overcome such challenges. Number 1, come out of the comfort zone. The ship is safe at the harbor, but it is not meant for. It has to go to the voyage or the middle of the sea and encounter the risks. Then only its meaning can be properly underlined. Number 2, read and learn from the people. Reading and learning from the people can expand our thinking horizon. It can shape our thoughts in creative way, in constructive way. Number 3, commit a mastery. We have to acquire the knowledge and specialization. For that purpose, we need to adopt Kaizen theory, which is very popular amongst the Japanese. It means we have to take baby steps or small steps in constant manner. Famous American author and business coach Tony Robbins says that it should be adopted in the name of CANI, C-A-N-I. That means constant and never-ending improvement. And point number 4 is nourish your body and mind. We all know that if we are adopting the work balance life, we are conscious about our health and our well-being, then certainly we can adopt new ideas, new thoughts, innovative thinking, and so on in proper manner. Friends, let me share one memoir written by Sir Edmund Hillary. We all know that the Mount Everest is situated 29,029 feet above from the sea level, and it was conquered by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay on 29th May 1953. We all know that Mount Everest is not only the highest peak but also the symbol of ultimate challenge and achievement. Very few people know that before conquering that Mount Everest, they failed several times, but each time Sir Edmund Hillary would say, "Please remember, as a mountain you cannot grow, but as a man, as a human being, I certainly grow. So this spirit of constant improvement made them the winner. So experts say that never lose hope and optimism. Rather, we have to work upon constant improvement. Then certainly we will be in a position to improve ourselves and we can ensure growth and development in our life. Thank you very much.